Select the Type tool. Pick a text color. And type your text. Select the Selection tool. Go to Type. Create outlines. Resize and stretch the text. Go to Object. Envelope Distort. Make with Mesh. Use 4 rows and 4 columns. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select the second line. Press Shift and also select the 4th line. Use your arrow keys to move the selected parts to the right. Use the Selection tool to select the entire text. Go to Object. Expand. Go to Edit. Copy. Go to Edit. Paste and back. Change the fill color. Move the text with the arrow keys. Copy and paste and back again. Change the fill color and move the text. And that's how you create this wavy text.